Live ball na tayo. Two big men are in the center of the court. Number 18 versus Amar. Balik. So, number 78, Marvin. Boss Marvin, inaharas ni De La Cruz. Porcelain for score. Boss Marvin. Yan na si number 22. Traveling violation. And si number Boss Raiden to number 78. Fakes the shoot. Wala. Rebound na yan ni Amar. Amar to number 17. Two, Gipit. Gipit. Dribbling the ball. Number 8. Jump shot. Overshoots. Rebound by team. Bad. Team that bad. Carlo penetrates. Na walang bola. Recovered. Two, Balili. Jumper at the baseline. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ni John Hart. Nagmamadali. Two, Amar. Puts it in. Ito tayo. Carlo, drop pass kay Boss Glenn for the 3. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni number 8, Gipit. Gipit, nagmamadali. Gipit. Crossing the big court against number 0-0. Gipit to John Hart. Umikot. Pasok yan, John Hart. 4-2 on the baseline. Our score is 4-2 ang ating score. Amang ang team Pastor ng dalawa. For 17, Carlo, to Boss Glenn, fakes, puts it in, a beautiful premier shot made by Boss Glenn. Ito na lang, captain ball ng team Pastor, yan na si Gipit, jumper, puts it in. What a beautiful baseline shot made by Gipit. Our score is 4-6 ang ating score. Carlo to Boss Glenn. To Carlo. Carlo steal. 5 to shoot. Carlo for the 3. Short ng tira. Rebound niya ng team Pastor. Gipit. Nagdadala ng bola. Jumper na naman si Gipit. Puts it in. What a consistency performance by Gipit. Yan na si number 78 na wala ang bola. Rebound yan ni Gipit and ni number 4 to number 8 Gipit. Jumper to Rama. Puts it in. Beautiful jumper the baseline by Amar. 11-4 ang ating score. Time remaining 6 minutes 44. Traveling violation. Time out.
Chip, first ref, lang time out sila kada po.
Dalawa. Sa first half, tigalawa lang yun. Pwedeng gamitin sa first quarter lahat, pwedeng gamitin sa second quarter. Basta yung first half, dalawa tayo.
We're still on the first quarter of this game. 4-10 ang ating score. 10-4 in favor of Team Pastor. Time remaining 6 minutes 34. La Cruz to John Hart, number 22. Bernardo steal. Pass to Amar. Fakes against Balili. And to shoot. Gipit, tumira, rebound na yan number 78. Number 78, behind the back dribble. Last 2, Boss Glenn, 2. Puts it in, number 9, si Boss Limbo yan. Beautiful jumper at the baseline. Nakuha yan, natipikan yan. Same ball possession.
Kasi Ebardo pala to.
Gipit for the three. Puts it in. 3 points by Gipit. The captain ball. Sweden, number 9, Limbo. Finds number 78. The boss. And to shoot, Balili at the baseline. Wala, nakuha na di Jonard. O Gipit, number 8. Gipit still. Bunker na naman yan kay Gipit. Gipit is on fire tonight. 15-7. Substitution tayo pag netball. Ayan na si Evardo. Carlo penetrates. 8 seconds. Nakuha na naman ng Team Pastor yan. Bernardo. To Gipit. Layup. Puts it in.
Bahala ng team kung paano yung
Limbo. Vardo at the baseline. Puts it in. 17-9 ang ating score. To shoot. Keep it. Looking for an open man. 8 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Evardo. Rebound. Evardo. Pass to Carlo. Leia puts it in. 17-11 ang ating score. Samang pa rin ang team Pastor. Gipit against Carlo. Jumper ni Gipit. Muntikan na naman pumasok yun. Ayan na si Evardo. Evardo pinasa kay Carlo. Leia. Yes sir. Humabol na. 3 na lang ang kalamangan ng team. Okay, time out tayo sa ano. Time out. Foul number 22.
Sino foul? Number 22. Foul yung number 22. Tipas lang isa.
Paano yun? Siyempre, si Peripheral Pion.
Sino?
Eh, rep.
Ang ating score, 14-17 in favor of the Red Lions. Time remaining in this first quarter, 3 minutes 36. And as Mendoza, drop pass kay Michael in the paint. Rebound ni Evardo, puts it in. Beautiful jumper ni Evardo on the baseline. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng team Pastor. Gipit for the 3. Short. Rebound ni Limbo to Evardo. Evardo. And a foul committed by number 8. Gipit, first personal foul. Vardo inbounding the ball to Mendoza. Vardo for the 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni Rama. Rama finds number 4. Tapala to Bernardo. To number 4. Puts it in. Rama, number 14. Mendoza faking the pass to Limbo and a foul committed by number 17. Ang ating score, 19-16. Time remaining, 2 minutes 28. Limbo. Miscommunication pass. Turnover tayo. (16-19) in favor of the team Red Pastor. Number 22 dribbling the ball to number 4 to number 8. Gipit. Finds Rama. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Tumira si De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound na Rio Bardo. Long pass. Steal by number 17. De La Cruz to number 4. Apala. Number 4 penetrates. Puts it in. Inain ang depensa na Tadbad yan na si Mendoza. Finds Michael na walang bola. Turnover tayo. Time remaining 1 minute 38. 16-21 ang ating score.
Sab.
Substitution tayo. Decoy. Number 8. Substitution. Store in. Jonard out. Rama out. Amar. 21-16 ang ating score. Ayan na si Mendoza nagmamadali. In the paint. Jumper. Short. Rebound ni number 4. To Gipit. Fix. In and out. Rebound ni Avardo. Yan na si Limbo penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound ng team. Pastor behind the back dribble ni Jonard.
Baba, takbo.
50 seconds. Jonard in the paint. Jumper. Short. Rebound ni Avardo. To Limbo. Post Limbo. Hesitates. In the paint. Finds Avardo. Umikot. Ni Yoyo. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ni number 17. Gipit, nagdadala ng bola. Gipit still. 16 to shoot. Pass kay number 4. Short lang ang tira. Nakuha yan ni number 9. 14 to shoot. Mira ng 3, si Mendoza.
Wala, nakatapak.
Nakuha ni Limbo. Ano yung foul? Anim. Number 22. Second personal. 7 seconds to shoot.
Penalty situation na.
For 2.
Wala nang oras, hindi kasi tao lang oras.